Hello, everyone. I'll be doing my final exam review questions. I'll be doing number 3 and number 24. Um, so for my number 3, it's 4x, or the absolute value of 4x plus 1 is less than number 2 is less than 2. So I set up a compound inequality right here. So negative 2 is less than 4x plus 1, but 2 is greater than 4x plus 1. So I subtract the 1 over to each side, so I get negative 3. So I get negative 3 is less than 4x, and 1 is greater than 4x. So then I divide it all by 4, so I get into fourths, and I get negative 3/4 is less less than our x value, and 1/4 is greater than our x value. So our interval notation will be negative 3/4, 1/4, right here. And then for number 24, we are given a measurement of 45 degrees, a length of 26 for A, and a length of B, which is 28. We set up a sine equation, so sine A equals sine B over A over B right here. So you get sine 45 over 26 is equal to sine B over 28. And then we bring our 28 over, we cross multiply it right here. So we bring it right here. And after that, we end up getting right here, which is 0.76149. And then we arc sine that, so we get 49.59, which is our possible angle. And then we subtract, since we know our whole triangle is going to be equal to 180 degrees, we 180 subtract the possible angle. So we get 130.41, which is our angle measurement for B. And then for our C angle, since we know that our angle, our C angle needs to equal all of this combined, needs to equal 180 minus our 45 minus our 130.4. We figure out that our C angle is going to be 4.9 degrees. 4.9 degrees right here, as you can see right there. And then we do another equation with C over sine C and A over sine A. So we get this right here. So then we multiply our A times sine C over sine A. So we get 26 times sine 4.5 over sine 45, and we end up getting 2.94. And then after that, that's our angle. That's our measurement for our other angle. So we can figure out that this is true. So you can figure out that this is correct by doing b or a squared plus b squared equals c squared, the Pythagorean theorem.